How's it going, everybody? I hope you're having an amazing day. I am super excited for today's video because I finally got the chance to do some magnet fishing. Today, I will be using the Beast Box from Rogue Magnetics. If you'd like to see my full unboxing and review video, I'll make sure to put that in the description. So, Rogue Magnetics is a company that makes high quality magnets. This right here is their Beast Box. It comes with a 1,200 pound pull force magnet, some thread locker, a rope, and a carabiner. That's all you need for magnet fishing, except for maybe some gloves. And on top of that, it comes with this sick carrying case. If you are interested in getting this magnet kit, make sure to go down in the description, check out my special link, and use code NICK10 to get 10% off your purchase. Before I get started, if you are new here, please make sure to click subscribe. I do all kinds of outdoor content like fishing, camping, survival videos, magnet fishing, all that good stuff. That's enough chit chat for now. Let's get to magnet fishing. First drop. I'm just gonna dip it around here. This thing's so heavy. Holy. Oh, I got something. A spoon.
Gloves, Nick.
Yeah, I know. Oh, I need to put my gloves on. First find ever with the Beast is a spoon. All right. I just took a look at that spoon and the bottom was burnt. So that's lovely. Anything on this one? Oh yeah, I got a drill bit. Not bad. Let's actually give her a little nice little toss. I don't want to throw it too far because if it gets stuck, then I'd hate to lose the Beast in my first time using it. Some of you OG people who watch my channel, you'll remember I came to this spot for my first ever magnet fishing video last year. I just thought I'd come back because, trust me, I've tried so many other spots and they just have not worked out for me at all. Okay. Oh, I got another one of those little cast net weights I was getting last year. It's a steel one, it looks like, too. That's cool. What's he doing? Oh, there's a bunch of stuff on this one. Whoa!
Lighter.
A ZIPPO lighter.
Good find.
That is. Does it open? It opens too.
Is there anything on the outside?
No, it doesn't say anything. Yeah, it's ZIPPO. It says it's ZIPPO.
Flip it over. Well, you can clean that up.
I totally can. That's such a cool find. And then 2 nails, one of those rocks, another cast net weight it looks like, and a spring. That was a good toss. That's like probably one of my cooler finds that I found magnet fishing. That's awesome. I know that's a bucket list find for a lot of people, so that's really cool that I found it on my first time using the Beast. Oh. Whoa, more of these cast net weights. That's crazy. I think we found 5 just now.
There's a bucket.
Yes, maybe somebody dropped a bucket. Oh, we got a little bush cap. Lead's not magnetic, no. So those must be steel then, I think. Yeah. I'm just gonna drop it here. That's where all the casting things are.
Yeah, maybe the bucket just fell right there.
Yeah. Just do one of these. Give it the old dip. Oh, I think we may have found a honey hole for these cast down weights. That's 5 on one cast. And then
There's 6 in there.
oh wait, 1, 2, 3. No, this is a spring.
Oh.
Another one of those springs. Weights. Like acting as it?
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh yeah. Wow. That's insane. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Dad. Dad. Look. Oh my gosh. Look how many. That's insane. They're all metal weights. Metal. Yeah. Oh my gosh. We found the mother lode. That is insane. I'm gonna put it right back in the same spot. My dad's right. I bet somebody dropped a bucket of them down there. Dad, I think I got a bunch more. Yeah? I think like somebody dropped a bucket of them right here. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Like so much stuff. Holy cow. I don't know. Look how many weights I got.
Yeah.
This is insane. Back to back. Okay, let's give it a toss. That was a better one. Oh my gosh. This is nuts.
That's a really good magnet.
No kidding. This is so cool. 3 casts. Look at all these. All right, everybody, we just finished magnet fishing. I'm gonna show you some of our finds. So I counted all these. We found 126 of these sinkers right here. And then we found a bunch of these springs, a little bottle cap, these 2 random metal plates, this metal ball. Thought that was pretty cool. Whatever this thing is, I have no idea what that would be for. If you know, comment below. Then we found this spoon, which unfortunately is burned on the bottom, so it was most likely used to consume illegal substances. Last but definitely not least, we have this ZIPPO lighter. I did a little research, and according to the official ZIPPO website, this lighter was made in February 1992. Alright everybody, if you like the magnet kit I was using today, make sure to go in the description and check out Rogue Magnetics and use code NICK10 to get 10% off your purchase. I also want to give a huge shout out to Rogue Magnetics and all my fellow Rogue ambassadors. I will leave a playlist to all the Rogue Magnetics videos down below as well. With all that being said, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you on the next adventure.